I wanna stay here though. I don't care, it's time for school. Get up. I wanna stay here though. Come on, where you going? Let's go. Stand up. Come on, I have an appointment to go to. I have to come back and get ready. Let's go. Stand up, let's go to school, please. Come on. I'm sick! You're not sick. You're faking it and make a big old deal of nothing. Let's go. Stand up and let's go to school. I wanted to go home. You're not going home. Let's go. He had to go to school. Everybody goes to school. Everybody don't go to school. Yes, everybody does go to school. Let's go. No, everybody don't go to school. Here's George. Stand up and let's go to school. With a monkey. You're making yourself. I want to stay home. Stand up and let's go to school. I'm sick. You can't put me through this. Okay, come on. I want to stay home with you. Okay, come on. I want to stay home. Okay, come on. Come on, Kears, George. You're going to school. It's time to go to school. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, I'm gonna force you to get dressed and force you down the stairs. Let's go. Come on, you're late for breakfast. Come on, let's go eat breakfast. Come on. Look, all little kids are laughing at you. Let's go. Come on. Let's go to school. I want to stay outside. Okay, come on. Stop it. Bumper, get out of the road. Come on. Look. Up. All your friends gonna see or they'll laugh at you. Let's go. I don't have any friends. Yes, you do have friends. You're such a liar. You could be all the reason why you want to go to school. They're not my friends. Yes, they are. Everybody goes to school. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Partner, get on the road. Get out the road. Get out the road. Come on. Why didn't you let the dog out? I want to be outside. Okay, come on. I don't want to go. Come on, I'm not doing this with you. Let's go.